taking you to another adventure. And today we're gonna visit Popoy's Cafe. We found out about them from the cemetery last 1st of November because they had a booth there. Now we love the simplicity of the design of the place. Its themes is brown and black and has like a laid back feel to it. Now we love the taste of their coffee and we're excited to taste more. We also found out that they cater too, so their food must be really good. We ordered the Spanish latte, this Blue Moon latte, the Cracker Jack latte, and a sparkling enchanting berries juice drink. For food, we had the grilled cheese. Look at that cheese pull from their mozzarella. Oh my gosh. And we ordered their beef fries nachos, their beef tapa, which is one of their signature, their fried chicken, very crispy, their sisig. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more contents like this. Everything just tasted wonderful. Now they also have a second roof deck floor where you can play pool and hang out with your barkada. They also have billiard tables at the ground floor just outside of the cafe. Tell me which place you want me to visit next.